Hello friends, and welcome to another unboxing. I'll be installing this Poetic case here on my Samsung S23 Ultra. So this has a built-in screen protector and nice little case around here. So this is the Samsung Galaxy S23. You can see the cameras kind of protrude from the end there. You can't really even lay it flat on a table or anything because it's just like a little lopsided. So definitely, I dropped my old phone and it got shattered screen. So here we go. You're putting this one on here. So this comes in different colors. It's got the all black one here. So there's that. This has the fingerprint reader there. Separate from front casing from rear casing. And then it has this screen protector, not you decide. So this has the screen protector. All right. So this is just an additional frame around there if you don't want the screen protector on it. I'm going to try it with the screen protector on there. So basically, I'm just going to get out this little screen protector accessory bag here and clean my screen off real good. As much as it is possible, you want to get all the dust off of there and clean it as usual. So we're going to take this little alcohol pad and clean off our phone with that. Sometimes it's nice to have like a little silicone pad under your phone here so it doesn't slip around while you're trying to clean it. Alright, so take the alcohol pad and give it a good cleaning. Get all those fingerprints off and everything as much as possible. Take your little dust rag and wipe that off. Okay. And then take these little dust absorbers, are pretty handy as well. These little stickers here. Just kind of go, good golly, already there's a little piece of dust on there. So you just go over your phone. And try to take everything off of there as much as possible. You can kind of look from the side. Should be able to tell if there's any dust on there at all. It looks pretty good here. Just gonna go over it one more time, going over like everything here. All right, hopefully that's good. Now we're gonna take out our screen protector portion here. This is the whole deal right here. See, it's in this nice little container. Take this out. Okay, I want to try to use a screen protector on here. So this comes out, you just kind of open the corners here and pop this out here. If we can. Just trying to be careful here so that would be nice if that was a little separate, but that's okay. Okay, now that that's out, I'm going to go ahead and remove this sticker here. So I want to try to make sure I don't leave any fingerprints on that side. Get a fingernail under there if I can. Oh my goodness. And it can't really seem to, there we go. Okay, so it does have this little round thing there for the fingerprint. And then that's gonna go, this is gonna snap over your top of your phone here. just like that. You touch that. So it actually was able to open my phone with that through the fingerprint thing. I didn't need to set up a new one. And then this snaps down into the case here. Just like this. Put it down in there. Okay. Just gonna go around there and just push it into place. It has a little edge that goes around just like that. And that kind of just seals around it. Okay. And we just kind of work our thing around the edge here. And that little lip goes around there just like that. And there we have it. So swipe's good. The fingerprint still works there, so I can just use the fingerprint. There we go. It's a little less sensitive, so I can just go back into my fingerprint, set up that, and get it going. So you can see it has a decent amount of an edge here that covers the whole screen. So if it does fall, I can just demonstrate that. You guys can see there's a gap underneath that, so technically it should fall and protect that. And it also has a bevel around the screen, the camera there as well, so that's nice. All right, my friends, well, it shows the back of here. I'm gonna have one of those magnetic mounts there, so this is nice for that. You can just stick it right on the back for a MagSafe one, put it on there and hold your phone. Other than that, my friends, so it looks pretty nice here. Looks like some decent coverage on the corners, and hopefully this will keep my phone safe. So thanks for watching this video. Hope it was helpful. You guys have a great day, and I actually think I got it in there without any dust under there, so I'm pretty happy about that. It does have a little fingerprint thing there when you turn the screen off, but when it's on, you can't even tell. You can't really even tell that it is there. So if you look really hard for it, you can see it, but other than that, no problem. So anyways, my friends, pretty cool case here. Looks like it's gonna be pretty sturdy. It has a nice little grip here. Definitely easier to hold than just the phone itself. And it's not too super thick, but thick enough to allow me to hold onto it. Also, I can get has a little port here for my stylus to be able to get that out. And then it has a little bit bigger area here in the back for your charger, which is kind of nice because there's different size cords, and I've had cases before where I actually had to cut that out because it didn't allow enough room for different USB to actually charge that. So this has a bigger opening there, so that is cool, and then also that can just be closed up to make sure no dust and stuff gets in there. So the buttons work fine on the side, volume up and down, no problem, and turn the phone on and off. So anyways, my friends, thanks for watching this video. I hope it's helpful. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.